Good day, everybody. Here we are, all season again. I mentioned future projects planned for the truck. Well, here we go. You guys can see right there. Hold on a second. You guys can see right there. I got my wood stove, ammo can wood stove. Quick little explanation here. You guys can see. There we go. Open that little latch right there. I plan on hooking up a little keychain on there or something so that you don't burn yourself while opening it up. And there's my opening right there, as you guys can see. What it looks like kind of inside. It may look shallow, but that is because right here we have a baking tray. So with that, we're gonna try to cook some pizza pockets on that tonight. See how I'll let you guys know how that turns out. Hopefully good. And she ain't complete yet. Here is going to be a pellet stove hopper. So inside here, there's going to be a cage and everything. It's going to be gravity fed, where it feeds pellets, and it'll feed pellets, and hopefully can last overnight. Because I know with this type of stove, I heard just burning wood, you can usually only get like maybe 1.5 hours or so out of it. So overnight, gonna have a hopper, and it's gonna get fancier. Just wait. I'll show you guys the end product that is done. If you guys want a pattern on how to make something like this, though, Slim Potato Head, he's got an amazing tutorial on it. So I'll try to put the link down in the description below. So if you guys want to make something like that, check it out. And so yeah, anyhow, that's a quick brief description of it. And yeah, there's my chimney right there. I would try it inside, but I'm gonna have to burn all the paint off. And if things go sideways, better to find out outside than in the truck. Gotta do this shit kind of safe. So here we are outside trying to do it. We got a sand pit. This is pretty much as safe as it gets. So anyhow, I'm gonna get some paper, firewood, light it up, and let you guys know, or show you guys how it turns out. Cheers. Okay, let's see if I can do this with one hand. I know you guys are gonna tell me I should have lit this up with the door top closed, but hey, we're starting baby steps, baby steps. Well, we got fire going in there. Let's go get our chimney. Come on, get in there. Just go your home. You know you want to. My God, there we go. Yo, got her going. Look at that. We got smoke coming out of our chimney. That's the way we like her. Okay, time to feed some wood. Get her going for a while, and once she's getting nice and hot, and hopefully the paint. Oh, yeah, another reason too why I'm not trying that out in the truck first, is because it's all paint, so those fumes I'm sure they're not good. But anyhow, I gotta keep this going because I just got a little bit of wood, and then I'll explain a few little differences that I got from Slim Potato Heads. So in case you guys do the same setup as mine. So anyhow, I'll get back to you guys in a second. Cheers. There you go. As promised, we got a couple pizza pockets that we are going to try and cook this evening. Always hard to wrap this up with one hand. There we go. So anyhow, time to go put these bad boys in the oven. I think we're going to try the first one. We're either going to go 5 minutes per side and see how that works. And we'll poke in the middle and see if it needs more. If so, we'll go 10 minutes aside. I don't know, but I'll let you guys know what seems to work the best. So we'll learn from the first one, and the second one will improve. So let's go get some pizza pockets, pizza pop, whatever you want to call them. Let's get it cooking. There we go. Put that right in the middle of the tray. Of course, so you guys know, there will be some legs on it at some point, so that'll be sliding in the tray in and out a little bit easier. Then I'll put a little ledge and a little keychain or something, so I don't have to risk burning myself. And for differences from Slim Potato Head's wood stove, he actually has the door on the end here. But for me, that doesn't apply because the location that is going to be in the truck is going to be in the corner. So gonna have this at the side, and therefore I put the door here. And other modifications, at some point I'm going to have a little window here so you can actually see what the fire is doing, and it's nice and cozy and be able to watch the fire going while you're chilling on the bed. So anyhow, I'm going to let that go, and I'll let you guys know in a few seconds how it turned out. Cheers. Okay, time to open it, and this will give us an idea of how long we need to go for. Yeah, just had a little bite, a little taste, and just so you guys know, she's still cold. So this time we're gonna try 10-15 minutes aside, and we'll let you guys. I think they tell you to put it for like 20-30 minutes in the oven anyhow. So let's go with that. So I'll let you guys know my time in a second. So 15 minutes aside. Go big, go home. Okay, let's check to see what we got here. She definitely feels a lot warmer. Got my knife on me here. There you go. Who says you can't open a Victorinox with one hand? Anyhow, let's cut this up. She's definitely feeling and looking a lot better. Ooh, she got some heat to it. Uh-oh, stop making a mess. I just waxed my truck just the other day, so she's a little bit slippery. That is hot right there. Let that cool down about 5 minutes, and I tell you, that'll probably be good. Actually, I'll let you guys know. Hold on a second. Oh yeah, now she's cooled off for 5 minutes. I'd say that's perfect. So we had it right there. Full draft open, 15 minutes aside. Open up, check it out, make sure you're good. Then let it cool for 5 minutes. Perfect pizza pocket in my time. So anyhow, I think that I'll give you some time trials later on, but that's gonna be close to enough. After time trial, that'll be it for the testing for tonight. There we are. Everybody just finished work. Not a bad day of work, but anyhow, you guys just saw not too long ago. We did our test trial of our wood stove and played it safe. Didn't do it in the truck, but you all know that that wood stove is made to go in the back of the truck. So here we are on our way out camping. It's a little bit of, as you guys can tell, I got the wipers on. It's a little bit rainy. Hold on, I gotta shift some gears here. Yes, I'm gonna go get some snacks, and then we're gonna find a camp spot, and then we're gonna try out. I'll see how our little wood stove works. I'm gonna mention a lot of stuff that I don't recommend you guys doing. Hold on. Yeah, I'll definitely be showing you guys some stuff that I don't recommend doing. I'll definitely have a fire extinguisher nearby, but yeah, I'll get my stuff, and when we get in the back, I'll show you guys what may work. I'll show you guys what I don't recommend you guys do, and if there's any mistakes, then hey, you'll see it from me first. So anyhow, time to go get my snacks, and I'll get back to you guys when we're out at the campsite. Cheers. Okay, here we are at our camp spot, and first thing first, our little chimney here. Put it this way so that as we're driving, we don't get too much water in it, and as it's kind of raining, drizzling, so don't want water in here. But first step, turn this feller upwards. There we go. And then we got our spark arrestor. I'm going to put this on. Not sure if I can do this with one hand or not. So let's set up the camera quickly. Okay, let me quickly explain to you guys what I got here. I just got some backing plate just so I could screw this to another backing plate, inner plate on the inside. Then in between here I got some high heat resistant, some cooking baking sheet mat that Miss Alcina hooked me up. But yeah, so that kind of acts as a seal here. And then in between the fiberglass, and then on the inside here, I can barely see, it's kind of dark. Hold on, let me try to get some light here going for you guys. There you go, can see a little bit better. Got pretty much the same reverse. Then got our chimney going down here, and then here we got some Reflectix. Ideally, I highly recommend a heat shield. I do plan on putting metal heat shield around here. I did check in. Apparently this is not flammable, so that's good. Worst case, it'll melt. And then in between here, the fiberglass, that I would like to have a bigger gap between the chimney and the fiberglass cap. But again, I read that's not flammable. It should just melt. So hopefully, in theory, it'll just melt to the size it wants. And like that, the metal, that's not going to melt. That's not going to burn. Our wood here, hopefully we're good. We'll find out. Got our carbon monoxide detector right there. Safety first. I might remove it because he seems to be a little bit too hot, and we might move him, I don't know, somewhere here, opposite side. I don't know. I don't like it right there. So anyhow, we'll move that before we start it up. And yeah, I did move, here's my fire extinguisher. He is right there. He is definitely going to be on standby. And the bottom, that's wood too. I definitely should have some metal on there. So like, I don't recommend, even if this is successful for me, successful, that's a big word. Even if this is successful for me, I don't recommend you guys do this unless you got your fire extinguisher and you got a few loose screws in the noggin like I do. But anyhow, we're still in the testing. Yeah, we're still in the testing phase. Unfortunately, I'm always in a rush. Gotta get stuff done. Last night I was working in the dark trying to get my chimney on the go. Because it is getting cold and we gotta get this stuff before it's cold. And so anyhow, before we start that up, let's show you guys the camp spot. It's pretty damn nice around here, you gotta say. Like, check that out. Gotta say, this is definitely the best time to go camping. The fall, you can't be beat. The scenery is just beautiful. Fortunately, it's been pretty windy and raining next week, so I don't think we're gonna have much more of these nice pretty leaves. Last few weekends were freaking awesome. But anyhow, it is now time to start our fire and hope we don't catch on fire. So anyhow, let's go to the wood stove. Cheers. Okay, time for our first test inside the truck house. Wish me luck. Okay, here we are about 5-10 minutes later, and fire's roaring pretty good, I gotta say. One little trick that I like that I just thought of the other day is get this little cordless fan that I got just blowing on there, and yeah, because wood's not the driest, so therefore you put a little bit of little hair going on there. It's running pretty good. So shut that off. There we go. Dive back a little bit there. Then we also got our little temperature gauge, as you guys can see there. We're gonna try to keep her in the yellow. So far she's rocking pretty good. Temperature here, actually that's actually still cool to the touch. The reflectix on this side. Same here. No, I don't think that's that. I think we're doing pretty good so far. So anyhow, if you guys think you're gonna burn, or another thing too, the fan also works pretty good. If smoke starts coming inside, just need to put the fan somewhere over here, probably there. That can blow the smoke that away. Have the hatch open a little bit, and it should be pretty good. Put some light on here. There we go. Now you guys can probably see me. And then for safety here, we got what I like to call oven glove. This will work pretty good for opening and closing our door. And yeah, like I said, feel free to put down the typewriter section if you guys think it's going to be good or not. You guys will know by the end of the video if it was a success. But what we're going to do now is put some, you guys saw when I was doing the testing phase, I'm going to get fancy with my cooking, but we still got a couple pizza pockets left, so let's put those in there. There's my pizza pockets. I got some pizza pockets somewhere. Come on. If I was a pizza pocket, where would I be? I think you're probably in the truck. So let's close this here down, because she is starting to get hot. Yeah, it's starting to get hot. So yeah, I'll be right back, my friends. Okay, oh, here we are. We dropped our pizza pockets on the ground. So put these here. We got our tin foil. Last time we did 15 minutes per side, and that was a little bit too much. So this time we're gonna go with 10 minutes a side. Let you guys know how they turn out. Plus we're going to try to wrap them both in the same wrapper. Why not? Let's not just get efficient. It's just because, yeah, we obviously don't got that much wrapper. Like that. Boom. Grab our glove here. There. There we go. Now just like that. And yeah, I'm gonna have to shut this off so I can put my timer on. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys once they're cooking. I'll let you guys know how they are. Cheers. Okay, time to see what these pizza pockets feel like. Boom. They feel hot, I'll tell you that much. Oh, that's gonna be a winner, I can tell. Get this bad boy in half. Middle's gonna tell us everything that we need to know. Side view. Oh yeah, that's I gotta tell you, successful pizza pocket again. Didn't even let it cool down for a bit. Fire, I gotta say, so far with the wood stove, a little bit finicky, as in you let her die down too much, you definitely gotta start stoving her back up. I wish I had a smaller piece of wood. Most of my pieces of wood are stuff like this, which is too big. Trimming that to this, so hopefully it's a little bit more manageable. But anyhow, so far so good. I had my temperature gauge. She was in the over fire for a little bit, but she went right down. Now she's in our creosote low level, so trying to get her back up. It's definitely going to be a learning experience. Bit by bit we'll get her down, but still got daylight. It's 10 after 6 right now, still early. So anyhow, gonna keep messing with this. Probably work on some video compilations and stuff like that for you guys. And yeah, enjoy my pizza pockets. So anyhow, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Cheers. Good morning, everybody. Here we are the following morning, and got some good news. The truck house did not burn down, so that's good. Wood stove is still standing still. Truck house still alive. Wood burned out throughout the night, but anyhow, luckily it ain't too cold this morning. I think it's like 6 degrees outside Celsius, something like that, so it's not crazy bad. Something I gotta say though, I gotta definitely work on, I gotta put some thicker insulation for my door because it doesn't seal perfect. And when she starts going, she starts going. I had this thing rocking at 100°F in here, so she was getting pretty hot. And you can tell as you stand up, as heat rises, it'll get really hot high above, but when you lay down, not so bad. So yeah, I'm gonna have to work on putting probably a thicker door gasket. Hopefully that seals better, and in that way the vent we can probably hopefully control better. So we got a little bit of fine tuning to do, but one thing to show you, for wood that we consumed, I had that full, and like that, I maybe used 1/3 to half. So between what I got there and there, I should have like about at least 3 evenings, I see, of wood burning. So that ain't pretty bad. It's pretty efficient for the size, I'd like to say. So anyhow, pretty happy with that. So things, oh yeah, in the future too, we also want to put a little window through the door, so some heat resistant glass, whatever you want to call it. I got some on order that'll come, so that'll make things nice, cozier, have some light as well in here. That'll be pretty nice. And I know my damper, that one, she's a little bit wonky like that. Lots of stuff was made last minute. It was rush, but at least we got it in. We didn't burn down. It passed the primary test. Still got to put some heat shields around there. Overall, I gotta say it's a success. Well, any day I wake up and not full of carbon monoxide and wake up alive, it's a good day. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap up this video here. Actually, I was hoping to show you guys a nice cruise out of the beautiful fall colors, but unfortunately it's kind of dark right now like that. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. It'll be 7 by the time I roll out, if that, and it'll still be pretty dark. So anyhow, till next time, hope you guys enjoy. If you have any comments, any advice on what I should do differently, please put it down in the typewriter section down below. I love hearing from you guys. So till next time, remember to live, everybody, and cheers.